Recently, Suzuki officially introduced 3 new color options for Hayabusa 2022 in the Japanese market. In addition, Suzuki also offers special orders for different color scheme, with a combination of body colors, accent colors, and colors on the wheel rims, so that there is 18 options in all. With 3 standard color options, the total number of color over is 21 colors. But first, let me play our intro. 3 new colors for the 2022 Suzuki Hayabusa, including brilliant white, glass sparkle black, and also thunder gray metallic, and the new 2022 version will be on the Japanese market from 18 June 2022. And like we said before, you can choose the color order plan, which offers you to choose up to 18 color options. For the Japanese domestic market, the Suzuki Hayabusa 2022 has the selling price tag of 2,156,000 yen, or around $16,520 US, and for models with special color orders, the selling price is 2,211,000 yen, or around $16,942 US. Meanwhile, the technical specifications remain the same as the previous model, which is powered by a 1339cc 4-stroke 4 cylinders DOHC liquid coolant engine with a 6-speed transmission. Its maximum power reached 188 PS at 9700 RPM and a maximum torque of 149 newtons at 7000 RPM. That's it.